You can claim up to $6,000 in TikTok ad credits just for signing up and running campaigns as a new advertiser. But here's the catch. The credits only unlock if you hit a certain spend threshold, and you've got to use them wisely if you want that free money to actually turn into sales. So in this video, we're diving into how to claim up to $6,000 in TikTok ad credits, and more importantly, how to actually use them to grow your business instead of wasting them. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel we cut through the fluff to help you launch smarter, grow faster, and get the most out of tools like TikTok ads. So let's break it all down. Breaking down TikTok's promo offer. TikTok calls this their 5-tier Spend X Get Y promotion. So here's how it works. Spend $200, get $200 back in ad credits. Spend $500, get $500 back in ad credits. Spend $1,500, get $1,000 back in ad credits. Spend $6,000, get $4,000 back in ad credits. And lastly, spend $10,000, get $6,000 back in ad credits. Now here's what makes it unique. You only have 30 days from registering your TikTok Ads Manager account to hit those thresholds. On those first 4 tiers, the $200, $500, $1,500, and $6,000 level, the credit is applied after day 31, meaning you spend during your first month, then TikTok rewards you based on your total spend. Now for that top tier, the $10,000 spent, TikTok actually applies that $6,000 credit immediately after you cross that threshold. So if you're a small business or just starting out, the lower tiers give you a way to double your initial spend. But if you're a brand already planning a bigger push, then that top tier is a serious jumpstart. Eligibility and fine print, you should know. Before we get too excited, let's make sure you actually qualify. So TikTok's terms include some important restrictions. First, you must be a new TikTok Ads Manager account registered in your local region. The offer is unique to the original recipient and can't be shared, forwarded, or redeemed by multiple accounts. It only applies to TikTok Ads Manager placements. TikTok Shop and third-party partner accounts like Shopify, Amazon, or WooCommerce integrations are excluded. If you've already received a coupon on another account under the same business center, then you won't get it again. Credits will only apply if your content follows TikTok's ad policies and guidelines. So basically, this is TikTok's way of encouraging brand new advertisers to try out their platform. If you've never run ads before on TikTok Ads Manager, then you're their target audience. Step by step, how to claim your credits. Okay, so how do you actually claim these ad credits? It's really a lot simpler than you might think. All you gotta do is create your TikTok Ads Manager account. You can go ahead and click the link down in the description to go to TikTok for Business and click Start Now and register with your email and password. Make sure it's registered in your correct region. So just click the link down in the description, which will bring you to this page right here where you can click on Unlock Offer. And then here you can go ahead and create your account. Then activate the coupon. The coupon automatically activates right after registration. You don't need to apply it separately. Spend within 30 days. Start running campaigns right away. The clock starts ticking the moment your account is created. Hit your spend threshold. Depending on how much you spend during that 30-day period, you'll qualify for one of the 5 tiers. Wait for credits to be applied. For the lower 4 tiers, TikTok applies the credits within 1 to 7 days after day 31. For the $10,000 tier, credits apply instantly after crossing that mark. And that's it. There's no fancy application process. There's no hidden tricks. Just set up, spend, and earn. Smart ways to use TikTok ad credits. Now here's where things really matter. Using those credits the right way. Because if you just throw them into random campaigns, you'll get random results. Let's go through the best strategies. Test in-feed ads, the basics. TikTok's bread and butter ad format is the in-feed video ad. These show up just like normal TikToks in a user's For You feed, except they're marked as sponsored. If you're starting with the $200 or $500 tiers, this is the perfect place to spend. Use the credits to test multiple ad creatives, at least 3 to 5 different short videos. Try different hooks in the first 3 seconds. Experiment with simple CTAs like shop now or learn more. The goal here isn't to scale yet, it's to gather data. Find out what kind of creative resonates with your audience without risking your own cash. Launch search ads campaigns, high intent traffic. So TikTok recently rolled out search ads campaigns, which let your ads appear when users actively type in keywords in TikTok's search bar. Think about that. Someone searches best indoor plants for beginners or protein snacks for weight loss. If you sell plants or protein bars, you can show up right when they're looking. This is the closest TikTok gets to Google-style search intent, and using your credits to test these campaigns is a smart move. Build a keyword list with TikTok's suggestion tool. Stick with phrase match and exact match for higher quality traffic. Start with a budget of around $30 per day from your credit balance. This way you're catching people who are already in shopping mode, not just passively scrolling. Build retargeting audiences. Don't waste warm leads. Another underrated use of ad credits is retargeting. So let's say your in-feed or search ads bring in thousands of visitors, but most don't buy right away. That's normal. Retargeting lets you re-engage them with follow-up ads. Let's look at some examples of what this looks like. Someone added to cart, but they didn't check out. Show them a discount ad. Someone watched 95% of your video. Serve them a product-focused follow-up. Someone visited your product page. Run a testimonial ad. Retargeting usually costs less and converts better. Using your credits here means you're stretching your budget further and stacking wins. Tips for e-commerce and dropshipping stores. If you're running an e-com store, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or a custom build, here's how to make the most of those free credits. Focus on conversions, not vanity metrics. Optimize for purchases or leads, not just clicks. Install the TikTok Pixel early. Even if you're only spending $200, you're building valuable tracking data for later. Use UGC-style creatives. TikTok users trust authentic, casual videos over polished commercials. Record simple product demos, customer reactions, or day-in-the-life style clips. Test broad and niche audiences. Start with broad targeting to let TikTok's algorithm learn. Then refine with interest-based or keyword campaigns. Leverage the credits to build retargeting lists. Even if your first campaigns don't make a profit, you're setting up warm audiences that can be monetized later with your own budget. Think of the credits as a way to buy data at a discount. The goal isn't just sales, it's also learning what works. Real brand examples that show it's possible. TikTok shared some case studies that show how brands have used campaigns effectively. K&O Dress ran authentic seasonal content and encouraged user-generated posts during Ramadan. The result? 8 times ROAS, 2,000 purchases, and 100,000 site visits. Cerati Perfumes used personalized targeting and optimization to achieve 187,000 clicks, 8.5 million impressions, and a 4.4 times ROAS. Shaw Warmer, a food brand, launched a full funnel TikTok strategy with Spark ads, in-feed ads, and app installs. They hit 17 times ROAS, 40,000 app installs, and boosted installs by 27.5%. These aren't one-off miracles. They show that with the right creative and targeting, TikTok ads can drive serious results. And your free credits are basically a low-risk ticket to test this out. So here's the bottom line. TikTok is handing out up to $6,000 in ad credits right now. You can unlock it by spending anywhere from $200 to $10,000 in your first 30 days. If you're new to TikTok Ads Manager, this is one of the best opportunities to test and learn without burning your own cash. But don't just dump the credits into random campaigns. Use them strategically. Test creatives, run search ads, and build retargeting funnels. If you treat this promo as a free money to experiment, then you'll walk away with not just sales, but also the data and audiences to keep scaling long after the credits are gone. So if you're ready to give TikTok ads a shot, then then claim the offer. Set up your account and start testing today. The promo only works for 30 days after you register, so don't sit on it too long. So if you want to get started with those free credits, hit the link down in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.